So YouTube, it's your main man OG Kicks coming at you live from the sneaker stash in the DMV. And today, man, I just want to show y'all probably the last pair of the year, man. Just getting home from work, you know what I'm saying? Had to stop at DTLR to pick these jumps up. Surprisingly, they was sold out of some sizes. You know, they ain't completely sold out everywhere, but they my size, that size 11 was gone, so they shipped them to the local DTLR, and yeah, your boy was able to go ahead and snag them. Like I said, potentially the last pair for 2023, man. You know, still ain't tripping off the buyout, man. Still ain't tripping off the gratitude. Still ain't really feeling them. Got this shiny black box, the gray Air Jordan white Jumpman in the middle, shiny. And you got this dull black, got a glossy top. Colorway Air Jordan 8 Retro Wntr black Gunsmoke metallic silver size 11. You know what I'm saying? For your boy to rock. Put it in the top. White standard tissue type paper. Buyout, man. There you have it. Potentially buyout. Last pair minus the Mama Year 5 things. Both pairs dope, but might not cop them just as yet. Buyout, man. We got the Jordan 8 winterized. Get right into the review, man. We got the black with the little fiber, carbon fiber underneath, white Jumpman. Got the gray, black, white, and gray, man. Perfect for me. The Raiders vibe going on. You got the black and silver midsole. And you got this foggy looking, I guess that's the Gunsmoke on this little back ankle side panel on the midsole. You got this winterized, rainproof, scratchy little material going around the two straps. And you got this, I want to say suede, but I know it got to be treated since it's winterized. Then you got the 3M little Air Jordan little strap holders on the things, man. You got the Chanel on the tip of the tongue, Chanel type of material, you know, around that Jumpman. Black Jumpman on the inside, a little silver lining around it. And yeah, man, that's about it. Definitely gonna slap these on the bar stool for y'all. Take a look at the sock liner. Yeah, no spare laces, none of that. Straight black jumps. Like I said, definitely got a Raiders type of vibe, man. White Jumpman on a black sock liner. Yep, that's about it, man. Some little dope little winter knockarounds. Got the nice little embroidered 23 outballs, 23 on the joints. And yeah, man, you know, ain't too mad at them. Dope little winter knockarounds, you know, get real cold in the DMV. We come about this vest. Yeah, you see the fit, man. Had the Palominos on today. So buyout, man. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what y'all think, man. About to slap these jumps on here for y'all so y'all can get another look at them. And then we out of here, man. Right. Hit y'all with the box. Like I said, you got that glossy on the top. The dull black. And the rest of the joint. You will have this white and green sticker on the inside. Standard white paper. Then you got the kicks, man. See, you got the little strip of 3M on the Air Jordan sign on the strap holders. Pretty dope. So you got that shiny black winterized material around the straps. Nice little touch. See your outer. You got your grips, traction pods, whatever you want to call them. White Jumpman will get dirty. I ain't tripping. See that smoky on the top of the mid. On the that's the upper. The silver mid, silver and black mid. Little smoky little panel right there. We got the 23. Looking cool. On the 8th. One of the best parts, the Chanel. You know what I'm saying? Around the Jumpman, man. Tip of the tongue, man. Yep. Standard black pull tab. Perfect shoe for an OG like me, man. You know. Don't need too much. I don't know, simple. Yeah, that's about it, man. Just like that, I'm out of here, man. Appreciate y'all stopping through. From the age, that's your shoe size. Happy holidays, man. The holidays are upon us. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Y'all rocking with your boy all year, man. Shout out to all my new subs, man. Thanks for rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? But they hit that share button, man. Let everybody see the heat. My personal opinion, like I said, these dope for the winter. Like I said, it was cold day in the DMV. It was colder yesterday. And winter hadn't even started yet. You know what I'm saying? It starts in the middle of like the 20-something of December. So, you know what I'm saying? Just making sure I'm going to be right, still fresh, but comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Out here in these elements. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. Happy holidays to everybody. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Thanks for rocking out with your boy. It was a rough year, but we made it through. And yeah, man, the pickings is yours. You know what I'm saying? Hit the stores. You ain't got to worry about paying resale for joints that would have went $200-300 over. Now you just walk in and pick up what you want, man, and keep it moving. So, you know what I'm saying? I gauge as a shoe size. Treat yourself. Never cheat yourself. Don't forget to holler at my people over there at Outrank Brand. You know what I'm saying? Remember, use promo code DOSHJOHN, man. Save that good 10% at checkout. Outrank.com. DARSHJOHN. At Outrank, man. Save 10%. And they got a nice little holiday sale going on. So be sure to check them out. Yeah, that's about it, man. Shout out to my man Jay the Sneaker Guy. You know what I'm saying? He be having them. He get them early. He get the gear early. I got a hoodie to match with these. You know what I'm saying? They always dropping gear to match your kicks. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? That joint coming soon. So I throw that picture up when I get here with these, rocking these. The sizes is cool. You know what I'm saying? The shipping takes a little while because I think it's supply and demand. So I think when you order, then they make the shirt and then ship it. So it takes a little while with shipping. So don't be upset. You know what I'm saying? If it take a little while to get to you, it will get to you. And yeah, use those promo codes, man. Yeah, and like I said, yeah, you know what I'm saying? My man Jay, yeah, he be having them early, you know what I'm saying? He be having the little gear to match the shoes before they even drop. So that's the move, you know what I'm saying? But we still growing though, we still grinding. And I'm doing it for fun, man. I'm doing it for myself. I ain't doing it for nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? Just bringing y'all the heat. And yeah, man. Catch y'all on the next one. That gauge, that's your shoe size. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. And we out of here, man. Peace.